If you have accidentally closed a tab on Safari and want to recover it, you have come to the right place. In this guide, I will show you 3 easy methods to recover recently closed tabs in Safari on your iPhone. Before we begin, I should tell you that there's no way to open all the recently closed tabs in Safari with a single click. You have to open them one by one. With that out of the way, let's see how to open recently closed tabs in Safari. The easiest way to see a list of recently closed tabs in Safari and open them is by utilizing Safari's recently closed tabs list. Launch Safari on your iPhone and tap the tabs button in the bottom right corner. Long press on the plus button in the bottom left corner and you will see a list of recently closed tabs. The list will show the most recent tabs at the bottom and you can scroll up to see the older closed tabs. Tap on the tab you want to open and it will open in the browser. You can also set Safari to show the recently closed tabs on the home page, giving you quick access to these closed tabs. Launch Safari and tap the edit button to customize the home page. Turn on the toggle for recently closed tabs to showcase them on the home page. By default, it will only show 3 recent tabs. Tap the show all button to display more tabs. The final way to see your recently closed tabs in Safari on iPhone is using the plain old browsing history. Launch Safari and tap on the bookmark icon. Tap on the History tab to open it. Here, you can scroll to find your recently closed tabs. If you remember the partial name of the website or tab you want to open, you can use the search history bar to find it. These are the 3 methods you can use to find recently closed tabs in Safari on your iPhone. Before you go, watch this video next to learn how you can use the Safari distraction control to remove unwanted web elements from websites. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.